Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on how to install Selenium WebDriver for Microsoft Edge, along with a code example in Python. You can install Selenium using the following pip command. Now, let's create a simple Python script using Selenium WebDriver for Microsoft Edge. Replace path /to/msedgedriver.exe with the actual path where you place the msedgedriver.exe file. Save the script with a .py extension, example selenium_example.py, and run it using the following command. This script will launch Microsoft Edge. Navigate to https://www.example.com, perform a search, print the title of the page, and then close the browser window. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Selenium WebDriver for Microsoft Edge and created a basic script to interact with a web page using Python. ChatGPT.